Here we raise pythons in a clean and controlled factory. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos.
This is where the python farming process begins. Inside, pythons are housed in structured, monitored enclosures.
Python growth is carefully tracked to maintain farm records.
Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored. Each python is handled carefully by trained staff. Routine checks look for calm behavior and clean, intact skin. Removing shed skin helps keep enclosures clean and easy to inspect. Baseline weight and length guide the hatchling's care and growth plan.
Early shed checks help prevent retained eye caps and skin problems.
After hatching, recovery time helps hatchlings stabilize before handling. Selected pythons are prepared for skin processing with care.
Pythons are carefully transported to the processing section.
Large pythons are prepared for skin processing in a clean area. Each python is positioned carefully to prepare for skin removal. Soaking rehydrates the python skin for uniform chemical penetration. The python skin is washed and cleaned to prepare for further processing.
The python's skin is carefully removed and inspected for quality.
In the workshop, each python leather batch is verified before cutting begins.
Each python skin is measured precisely for crafting purposes.
Skin is cut into precise pieces for leather crafting. Light conditioning helps the python leather bend cleanly without stressing the scales. Saddle stitching is done by hand, locking each stitch for strength. Hand stitching locks each seam, preserving the python leather's pattern. Artisans carefully stitch python skin into luxury handbags and wallets. Skilled artisans stitch python skin into luxury products. Finished Python leather products are inspected for premium quality.
Python meat is moved to cutting stations for portioning.
Python meat is transferred to cutting and packaging stations. Python meat is portioned into uniform cubes for packaging.
Python meat is portioned into uniform cubes for packaging.
Seal checks confirm the pack stays airtight through storage and shipping. Flat, consistent placement helps sealing machines create reliable packs.
Watch the clearance on the door.
Copy that, moving it slowly. We need this pallet in bay 4.
Slowly now, keep it tight to the wall. We need room for the next shipment.
Python meat trays are loaded into the delivery truck for distribution.
Seal secured. All clear, you can roll out. Copy that, pulling out now.
Skinless python meat is carefully removed from each pack, ready for cutting.
The meat is cut into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking.
The python meat is fried to perfection with a crisp golden exterior.
The fried python meat is carefully arranged for serving.
The fried python meat is tender, flavorful, and enjoyed by diners.
Texture of the python is perfect.
You have to try the crispy strips.